Alright, so people we're gonna touch on it now. I touch on the stats versus Tarrant game. Now, the thing about this game is I've learned a few things about specifically the stats team that I never saw in pre-season. But my assumption is that by the season continue, I expect the things to get better. Hold on, let me check something. Alright. Give me a second, people. Yeah. Let's not try to touch up on the brightness. So we can do look something on the brightness of the camera. Alright. Jump in the comment section and see what I go on first. Good. We could touch on the stats game now. So Start played Tarrant today. 9-0 was the scoreline. And apparently the coach was disappointed. And I understand, because even though that Start scored 9 goals, they throw away, they dash a lot of chances, multiple chances, and the coach was pretty much upset about that, throwing away those chances, because he's saying that you have to be clinical in front of goal. When you're going up against better teams, and you're not clinical in front of goal, you will get hurt. So rather than you get hurt, you hurt your opponent. Yeah, basically like a boxing game. Now, take out your pen, people. Write this down. So last season, when I watched Stats was very, very exciting. One of the most exciting team in the competition. To and from football. Very, very fast. Very, very physical. Quite aggressive. And entertaining. Extremely entertaining. But there was a big, big factor with the team. I did speak about it, about emotions. They are an emotional team. Last season, they were heavily driven by emotions. And when I realized like when the thing get real gritty, especially in the semi-finals and the finals, the emotions got the better of them. Their emotions got the better of them. They didn't finish the chances of them get, because them the right to hype on cloud nine. It was too good. The feeling was too good. Now, what I'm seeing from this stats team now is a more mature team, extremely mature. Know what they're doing, understand what they're doing. They're very patient, extremely patient, very, very patient. On top of that, in my view, they're clinical. The coach might not agree, because him say he want to be more lethal in front of goal. They're quite clinical. Now Shane, I was doing a show the other night with Shane, and Shane said when you watch Stats playing, they don't waste any time. Like when they get a show, ball in place, they move the ball same, quick show same way. When they get a free kick, quick free kick, they do everything fast. And I saw them do it today on quick free kick. And in my view, I said it's a good position to score a goal, score a free kick goal. Quick free kick, bam bam, 1-2, touch, goal score. Now, nonetheless, they are more of a transitional team, and many teams might not enjoy playing against them because they play in waves, consistent waves of attack, over and over again. So that's a big plus. But what I'm speaking about specifically is the maturity that they are playing with at this present moment. The understanding of when to cool down the game, when to turn up the tempo, when to recycle it. And the main man in that is Nikai Gale. He's very, very important in that. In dictating the pace, tempo, and the momentum of the game. He's very, very good at that. And understandably, they have quality players, but I do think that coaching plays a big, big part in that. A huge, huge part in that. And from what I'm seeing right now, I do think that they are a more mature team. A team that understand what it means to be at a particular place. They're not like last year. You can see that they're kind of immature in certain aspects. Certain things that they might do. And they move past that now. And them have the aura about them now. They look like a champion team already. They look like a champion team. They look like a team who's ready to compete and look serious. Very, very serious. I'm not talking just serious in the face. I'm not talking about in their warm-up, in their preparation, or in lay on the cone and all these type of things. So, big thumbs up for them in basically what I've seen today. It's good to see that. It's good to see that they would have garnered that experience from last season and move on this season and now looking a more experienced team, looking at a team that really are here to compete. So, big respect for that. So, and regards for what I've seen, I saw it in the game, how they approach the game, how they manage the game, and what they do in the game. So, that's huge from Stats, and I'll say keep up, and we'll see what you guys have to offer by the end of the season. Yeah.